Welcome to ITPK. Today I will guide you how to share an internet from your phone to PC using the Bluetooth connection. If you found this video helpful, please make sure you have like and subscribe ITPK. So if you can see my screen, it's saying that Bluetooth personal area network connection successful. Let's hit OK. And I have already connected my phone via Bluetooth and that is sharing the internet. When you hover over to Wi-Fi here, you will see two connections that are connected to internet. The first one is the Bluetooth connection that is shared from my phone and the second one is the Wi-Fi connection. So I could go ahead and I can disable Wi-Fi. Once I disable Wi-Fi, I can see that I am still connected to internet via Bluetooth. So let's go ahead and remove this so that I can show you all this from the beginning. So on your phone, please go ahead and tap on settings. Once you are in settings, first make sure that you have turned on your Bluetooth. Once you have turned on your Bluetooth, let's go back and here please go to connection and sharing. Once you are in the connection and sharing, please go ahead and turn on Bluetooth tethering. So we have turned on Bluetooth tethering as well, and also we have turned on our Bluetooth. So this setting could be changed depending upon the model and make of your mobile phone, but you will surely find this setting in your mobile. Now on your Windows laptop, please go ahead and type settings in the search bar and go to settings. Once you are in settings, please go ahead and click on Bluetooth and devices. Once you click on Bluetooth and devices, make sure your Bluetooth has turned on here. So let's go ahead and click on Add Device. Once you click on Add Device, you will see these options to connect to devices. First is Bluetooth, second is wireless display, and third is everything else. So here our target is to connect to Bluetooth. When I clicked on connect to Bluetooth, I can see here that my laptop Bluetooth has picked up my mobile Bluetooth. I can see my phone Bluetooth name here. Let's click on this and now it's connecting and it's asking me to pair the code at the both end, right? I got this code on my mobile phone as well as on my laptop. So let's go ahead and click connect here and pair on my mobile phone. So on my computer, it shows that connection is succeeded, and after that, it showed not connected. So don't worry about this. Let's go back to home and then go back to Bluetooth and devices again. I can see my mobile is here in the Bluetooth and devices. So let's go ahead and connect to my mobile phone personal area network PAN. Now it's getting connected. Let's go ahead and click on connect. Now Bluetooth personal area is connected and the connection is successful. On your phone, please go to Bluetooth. In the Bluetooth, just make sure that your laptop is connected and have an internet access. Let's click on this exclamation and here I can see that internet access is now getting shared via Bluetooth. So that's it about today's simple and to the point tutorial on how to share internet from your phone to your PC via Bluetooth. Thanks for watching, keep watching and don't forget to subscribe ITPK. Take care, bye.